Woo! Alright, so Arsenal 4, Leeds United 2, Arsenal 4, Leeds United 2, Leeds United 2, Arsenal 4. Alright, so a really excited game. Honestly, I cannot tell you how much or how happy. Hey, alright, stop. Hit the like button. Hit that like button. Stop. As I said, stop. Don't do anything. Hit that like button and make sure you subscribe if you're new here. Arsenal 4, Leeds United 2. Let me calm down. I have to calm down now. So let me get into the details. So, first of all, surprising starting lineup. Most fans wasn't expecting the starting lineup because Mikel Arteta went all out attack. Very creative midfield. And it really come to fruition in regards to the goal contribution we have got. And our main man, our talisman, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, first hat-trick for Arsenal Football Club. And he got an opportunity to score an hat-trick once and he gave Lacazette the other goal. But I am ecstatic. I am happy. I am so happy. Now we're now moving up the table. Move past Leeds. And this is a good step, a right step in the right direction. And I cannot complain. I see many Arsenal fans complaining about Willian coming on, taking off Ceballos or Olin. So many complaints about the substitution. And I care zero about the substitution. What I care about is winning the game. That is the most important thing at this point of the season. Right now, if some of those teams that lost their games even over this game weekend, or if we have lost this game and we have played all those players that you guys wanted to play, what would you have said then? You'd have blamed the manager, you'd blame Mikel Arteta. You'd say Mikel Arteta is not good enough. No, he won the game against Leeds. Bielsa, one of the best coach out there right now. He defeated Bielsa, a Leeds team that is flying high in the league right now. And Mikel Arteta went out and smashed them. And you still find time to argue about substitution or who's on the bench or who's not on the bench. Come on, you have to be realistic. He's in the training ground. He knows what he's doing. We might not agree. He has done few decisions that I didn't agree with. But at the end of the day, he's a manager, he's a coach. He knows what he's doing. There's a reason why he's doing it, and there's a reason why he's a coach. So we have to respect his decision as well. We can criticize. Yes, we can criticize. But we cannot over-analyze his decisions. Some of the time, we as fans, we become over-critical to certain things because we're looking at things in our perspective, what we think. But that is not football. But at the end of the day, it was a great, beautiful goal from Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, slotting one low and hard. One from the spot kick, Bukayo Saka driving inside the 18-yard box. First time he did it, he didn't receive the free kick, the penalty that he should have gotten. And then he drive inside there again, picking the ball off the keeper. Keeper hitting him down in the box, 18-yard box. Referee, penalty. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, smooth, slots its home. Next goal, you have the likes of Smith Rowe darting inside the 18-yard box. I believe that was a shot going at the far post, and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang latches onto it, heading it home, and that is hat-trick for Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. It got a bit nervy in the end stages where they scored their two goals, and it seems as if they were coming back into the game. But I respect what Arteta did in regards to bringing on El Nini, those type of players who keep the game clean and smooth and try to keep possession, turning over the ball and try to retain possession, because we're already ahead in the game. There's no need to try to force the issue, and we have to reserve some energy for the midweek game that is coming. That is the Europa League. So look out for my Europa League preview as well. But guess what? I am happy. I am really happy. And alright, so we're moving up. This is a step in the right direction. And guess what? This has been Military Gunner TV. If the first you're here, please hit the like button. And if you're first, subscribe, hit the like button. Subscribe, and like, drop a like. Help me to beat the YouTube algorithm. And this is Military Gunner TV. Guess what? I am out.